Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I've definitely been in an open cup pour mood, and today I'm going to do it on this 16-inch round canvas. Now this canvas is larger than my spinner, so I put a piece of cardboard there, and everything's just double-sided sticky taped together. Now I generally use white for these, but today I wanted to do a more galactic one, so I'm going to go ahead and use black. And I'm going to start off with a big puddle there, and then I've got this little cup that I've just cut off the bottom, and basically we're going to keep this pretty simple. We're just going to be pouring these various colors in, and these are all Mixed Media Girl pouring paints. So we're going to be doing some white, some turquoise, I'm going to do some Malibu Sky, some electric purple, and some copper. And you can already see it starts to come out there, and it's going to be glorious. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up because this takes a little while. And we're just going to pour until I have enough paint there, and then I'll spin it out. Okay, I think that's beautiful. Let's go ahead and let it sit for just a little while, and then I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, bringing you in for a close-up. Look at all these crazy cells and lacing. Now there is no silicone or any other additives in here, just the paints reacting together. And for those who don't know, the open cup technique is a really good way to get cells. Of course, providing you have the right paint consistency. This over here is definitely my favorite section. It's the most galactic, but I also love this over here with the black and the purple cells. And also I do have a silicone mat underneath here. So all of this runoff, I let it dry and then I'll peel it up. It comes right off the silicone mat. And I will use it in other projects such as jewelry, magnets, bookmarks, etc. So I do have several videos on that on my YouTube channel, Facebook page, etc. Feel free to check them out. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this and have fun trying it out yourself. I'll see you next time.